Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Fantom price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also managed to break above our key area of resistance at around the $0.5 mark. And at the time of this recording, we are also holding above that key area of support, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now managed to get into the minimum retracement area, highlighted here on the charts using this red target area. And all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.4839 mark. And now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3 to the upper side. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you my target areas to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you a target area to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a target area to the upside in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.5724 mark, and that is the minimum that I'm expecting that wave 3 to the upper side to do. And for that move to also play out and for us to fully maximize our minimum target areas to the upside in the formation of that wave 3, there are key moves that I'm keeping an eye on here on the Fantom chart. And the first one was a break above the wave 1 high of this Elliot wave structure right here, which lies at around the $0.4839 mark. And at the time of this recording, you can see that we are holding above the 20, that is the wave 1 high. We are also holding above the 20-day MA and above our key area of support and resistance. And you can see that the moment we manage to break above that key area of resistance, we have now seen a successful retest of that key area of support, and there are high chances that we are going to continue gearing up, continue pushing even higher. And the moment we manage to break above the high that we made at around the $0.5222 mark, then there will be high chances that Fantom is going to continue seeing higher prices and fully maximize our minimum target areas in the formation of that wave 3. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios, and those are my short-term target areas here on the Fantom chart. And getting to the long-term scenarios that I'm expecting here on the Fantom chart, you can see that I have this Elliot wave structure in yellow, where we peaked in that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.65 mark. And having seen the high for that first wave, whatever we expected next was a corrective structure in the formation of that wave 2, which is a move that we have here on the charts, in a move that has managed to get us into the minimum retracement area in that wave 2, highlighted here on the charts using this yellow target area. And I believe that we have bottomed out in the formation of that wave 2. And now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing is the start of an impulsive wave in the formation of this wave 3. And in the formation of this wave 3, which is also an impulsive wave, I also expected to see a 5 wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas. And here on the charts, you can see that I have this micro Elliot wave count right here in blue, where we have peaked in that first wave, seen a corrective structure in the wave 2. And now the primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing is the formation of this wave 3 before we see a wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5 to fully maximize our target areas in the formation of these larger Elliot wave count 3. And in the formation of this wave 3, we are also seeing a micro Elliot wave count, which has just given us the short-term scenarios, having my target areas at around the $0.57 mark. So that is what I'm expecting here on the short-term scenarios here on the Fantom chart. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 62 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.